Extra soft gel padding dampens vibration for ultimate comfort. Breathable, stretchable cover material keeps you cool, even on hot days or long rides. Multi-purpose. Ride outdoors or indoors on stationary bikes. Easy installation allows for attachment to any seat. Seat measurements are 10.8 inches long x 8.25 inches wide. Top reviews from the United States. Love it. I have a Spinner brand Spinbike with a narrow, hard as a rock seat and decided to get this seat pad in hopes a more comfortable ride would entice me to ride more. The seat cover isn't as wide and bulky as it looked in the photo. It might not work on an extra-wide beach cruiser type seats, but for regular and narrow it should be fine. It slips over the seat and a string and toggle are used to cinch it tight. If using this on an outdoor bike, you will probably need or want to cut the strings shorter or maybe tie a bow once it's fastened on. I was kind of concerned that this would be a little slippery because the material is slick, but I haven't had a problem staying on the seat when spinning quickly. I would also like to note that when I ride I do not usually wear cycling or workout shorts, and the shorts I do wear have seams in them, so before I got this seat cover I was experiencing quite a bit of discomfort, but I don't want to have to go in and change my clothes to exercise because it's just another excuse to not do it. My first ride when I received the seat cover was just over 30 minutes and I was wearing a pair of cargo shorts. I had very little to no discomfort while riding, and even the next day I only noticed the slightest hint when riding again. I am very pleased with this seat cover. If it lasts well, I will have no reservations to recommend this to everyone. For now, it getting a solid 5 stars based on fit, ease of use. It would be very easy to take with you to the gym and put on, take off their bikes, and comfort. Oh, and I am a female if that's helpful.